भाई आप नेचुरल हो?
क्या लगता है भाई आप? बिल्कुल नहीं भाई।
गाइस आप
किसी को झूठ नहीं बोलूंगा, ऐसी बॉडी बना नहीं सकती नेचुरली। आप देख रही होंगे इंस्टा पे आजकल क्या चल रहा है।
Props to this lad for actually speaking out the truth and not playing the fake natty charlatan mind games. This kid could have easily put natural in his freaking bio and made a shit ton of money by brand sponsorship. But what he chose to do is actually be transparent with his audience and the Indian Janata. You, my friend, if you think that this physique can be achieved naturally, you are living in a delusional la-la land, okay? Man, these fake natties like Ishan Thakur, Mihir Lifts, Rohit Chauhan add fuel to your already existing bigorexia or the body dysmorphia. I have been through a lot of shit in my life. For instance, most of my freaking loved ones are dead, and I hope you understand how messed up my situation is. But still, this very psychological disease named bigorexia or body dysmorphia irritates me a lot. It makes me freaking depressed, sad, and sometimes I have suicidal thoughts, you know. These fake natties have leveled up the expectation of a natural physique that can be built with 5 to 6 years of training. Just imagine the mindset of a gym newbie. He sees Ishan Thakur, he goes to the gym, he trains hard for 2 to 3 years and still looks like, do you even lift, bro? But now what happens is he develops body dysmorphia. Despite training hard, dieting pretty well, consuming the required supplements, he still looks like shit. The direct reason for this is fake natties. They tell that, brother, you do not train hard. Look at my freaking forearms, dude. If I flex it a bit more, it will start cramping. That's how I fucking train, okay? And these fake natties are like, you need to train hard, you need to train hard. But in the fucking backstage, they're using needles loaded with tren, you know, testosterone enanthate, and pinning in the delts or their gluteus maximus. So please boycott these fake natties before your level 1 bigorexia or body dysmorphia turns up into a fully fledged mental disorder where you're constantly shitting on yourself. You're shit talking to you in front of the mirror every single day and you're not at all satisfied. You stop socializing because you think that you look like shit. Man, this is a fucking serious problem that no one is talking about. And please start boycotting these fake natties, especially Ishan Thakur, Mihir Lift, Singha, Rohit Chauhan, Jit Sharma, and many more names added to this freaking shithole list. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते